Okay. Now in this part, we will learn about nonlinear data structures, abstract data types, and data structure operations. So let's start with nonlinear data structure, and that's tree. So what's a tree? A hierarchical structure where data is organized into nodes connected by edges forming branches. A tree is a way to organize data where each element is called a node and nodes are connected like branches. One node is a parent and other connected nodes are its children. So here you can see that these all are nodes, but there is a level of there is a level of of each node. That's level 1, it's level 2. So we can say that it's the parent node connected to the other two child nodes, and the node which is present at left to the parent node will be the left child, and the node present at the right of the parent node will be the right child. Okay, so if you are seeing a data structure in this format, it will be a tree nonlinear data structure. Now we will know about non graph. Okay, so what's a graph? A graph is a collection of interconnected nodes, or we can say vertices and edges, representing complex relationship between data elements. Here, a node can be connected to the multiple other nodes. Okay, and there is no format. They are also present in the level order, like this is the level 1, this is the level 2, and this is the level 3. So if you are seeing any data structure present in this format, it will be a graph data, nonlinear data structure. So what's the difference between graph nonlinear data structure and tree nonlinear data structure? That's in a tree, it's always a parent node will be connected to two child nodes, or 0 or 1 child node. But in graph, it can connect it to the multiple other nodes, more than 2. Okay. Now we will know about abstract data type. So what's an abstract data type? Abstract data type only focuses on what it does, not how it works. For example, you can see here, it's a coffee machine. We are only knowing that's a coffee. We are only focusing on the coffee, not focusing on how this coffee machine works. That's same the abstract data type. Okay. For example, stack with push pop implementation is hidden. For example, we uses the function like push and pop in stack or queue, and without knowing how it works. That's why push and pop function are the abstract data types. Abstract data types encourages modular and efficient design. Okay, now we will learn about some data structure operations. Traversal. Traversal means visiting all elements only once. Only once. Okay, which means if we have an array 1, 2, 3, then we are going to 1 first, then going to 2, then going to 3. That's the traversal. Okay. Now we will know about searching. So what do you mean by searching? Searching means finding a specific data element in an array. For example, this is an array 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So if you want to find the data element value 3, then it will be present at index 2. That's searching. Okay. Now we will learn about insertion. Insertion means inserting a new data to the data element. For example, this is data structure. This is the data structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we want to insert a new data element here, so how it will be? 6. Okay, we are inserting 6 here. 1, 2, 6, 3, 4, 5. This is called insertion. Now we will know about deletion. Okay. So if we have an array 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we want to delete this array, so what we will do is firstly delete this array from the data structure, and after that we will shift our other data elements right of it to the left. Okay, so it will be look like 1, 3 and 4. Okay, now we will learn about sorting. What do you mean by sorting? If we have a data structure of which contains the element like 23, 2, 5, 1, sorting means either we can arrange this data in ascending order or descending order. This is known as sorting. If we are, for example, now we are converting it to the ascending order. So how this data structure will look after sorting? It will look like 1, 2, 5 and 23. So this is known as sorting. Now we will learn about merging. So what's the merging means? Like if we have an multiple arrays, like we are taking two arrays, 1, 2 and another array is 3, 4. If we are merging these two arrays to a single array, it will look like 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's called merging. Okay, that's it for this part, and now we will learn about algorithm complexity in another part. Thank you.